In this video, I'm going to be using this image and I'm going to be creating a reflection with it. So first, let's increase the size of the canvas. I'm going to go for more of a square or rectangular canvas size. And now you can use any selection tool. I'm using the rectangular marquee tool and I'm selecting the areas which I want to be generated. Then we can click Generative Fill, make sure that your layer is selected and click Generate. These generations are perfect. I'm going to go with this one. And since I know which one I like, I'm going to merge the two layers together because this makes it easier to move the image around and then to generate without making any specific mistakes. Okay, so I'm going to then move this image until I'm happy with where the reflection might go. I'm happy with that placement. Next, I'm going to use the same selection tool, the rectangular marquee tool, and I'm going to just select below the mountains. So my first tip is making sure that you do select the area where the mountain is the darkest and meets the ground, and just select above that. This will make sure that there's no harsh lines where the mountain meets the ground. The image will look smoother and better. So once I've selected the area I want, I'm going to click Generative Fill. And I'm going to use different prompt types to see which generates the best result. First, I'm going to use the prompt river and see what this gives me. Okay, that's very, very smooth. I'm not sure about that. Second one is a bit too blue. Third one is actually pretty much perfect. Colors are good, it looks realistic. There's a few tweaks I would make, but I mean, I'm already impressed. Let us try a different prompt. Here I'm going to type in pond and see what this does. No, this is okay. So this has created a more clear reflection compared to river that created slightly more smooth reflections. These reflections hold more detail, as you can, if you can tell. So it does depend on what you want your final outcome to look like. I actually like the outcome of the prompt pond because I think it looks more realistic. And you can even see this slight ripples in the water, which really adds to the overall aesthetic of the photo. Perfect. Let's look at it before and after. So that's before and this is after. So we've come to the end of the video. I think the Generative Fill tool for reflections is amazing on Photoshop. Let me know what you guys think, and if you want to hear more about Photoshop Generative AI and how you can use it, then please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.